It is time for my virtual curly cut with Daisy from San Diego. It's all virtual, it's all done through Zoom. I know it seems like such a crazy idea, but I need to do something with this hair, and going to a salon is not an option for me right now, so this is what we're doing. Let's get it. Yes!
And you showed me a picture, you want it a little bit rounder, the top, but you want to keep the length pretty much?
I think so. Like, we'll definitely take some, clean up the ends, and then toss some bangs in there.
A little pop in the top.
Pop in the top, but when I don't want the bangs, if they can just like blend into the hair.
Right, that sounds good. Turn around for me. Let me see the side and the back. Nice. You have your clips.
Yes, ma'am.
And you have your shears and a comb, like a tail comb.
I have that.
Or a day stick, that works too. All right, go ahead, cut.
Cut that.
Right there, cut.
She says cut, so we cut. Right here.
Yep, yep. So not all the way to your fingers, just, that section. Okay. Shake, shake, shake.
Want to see the baby?
Yes. Where's baby doing that? How are you, Tim?
Good, how are you?
Good, nice to see you.
You could have just given me directions. I could have been cutting back here, I just realized.
No.
Now we're going to get to the fun part.
Ooh, the bangs.
Right there. Now you're going to cut.
Oh my god! Thank you for the memories.
Bye, 2020. Cut.
I can't see. Okay. How many times do you cut your own finger?
Right there, cut. You need to take a break, that's fine.
I don't need no break.
Next section, almost there.
Woohoo! Got all this?
Yep.
Oof, this is a big snip.
It's mostly that second set. Don't worry. Yeah. You see that second section. That's okay. It'll work.
Wait, no, don't cut it. Too late.
Stop. Cut.
Cut all this? Hold on. Can't see.
Carefully, your knuckles.
Yes, ma'am. Woo! Need to
The
breathe.
hair workout. It's the hair workout. The Tia hair workout. Hey, if you can cut your hair, anybody can cut their hair.
Honestly, yes.
Last thing we're gonna check out. We're gonna bring it. I know it's gonna be tough. We're gonna try to bring it all up here. I know, girl. Let's just do it. Let's just do it.
All of it? You lost your mind.
The most amazing poof in all the land. I can't see you, but I trust you.
Here.
Oh, it's looking really good. Okay. Fluff it out. Fluff it out. Lift it. Drop it.
Oh, it passes it.
Pop it. What do you think?
It looks so good. It is thick. Thick.
It looks so much healthy too. It looks even more even. You did amazing.
Thank you. You have to have so much patience to coach people through here.
But I love this. Like the after is so worth it. I mean,
Great.
look at you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh my god. It looks like a kabuki makeup brush.
It's amazing though. It's so beautiful. My goodness.